Cancers, Namaste. Welcome to my channel, The Purple Insights. Here I upload videos related to tarot and oracle card readings. Also, occasionally I will post videos on topics related to occult. So, if that ignites your curiosity, then do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel, guys, and also hit that bell icon if you want to be kept updated of all the videos I will post later. So, that being said, let's find out what this video is all about. So, this reading is going to be about what's coming for you, Cancers, in the month of October 2020. So, what can you expect from it? Using the tarot and oracle cards, I intend to provide you with some insights regarding your relationship, career, and finance for this month. Also, I will try to provide you with any messages your spirit guides have for you for this month. So, I hope this reading serves as a guidance for you guys and in certain cases may act as a warning to let you not commit any action that you might regret later. Also, I would like to tell you that this is a general reading, guys. It will resonate with most of you, but may not with everyone. So, that doesn't mean the reading is wrong. It's just that it was not meant for you. So, that was the introduction, guys. And now let's start with your reading. So, the first card is Two of Cups, second is King of Wands, and the third tarot is Nine of Pentacles. Wow, guys, you have got amazing cards. Anyways, the next card is Fixed Moon, then Dragon, Authenticity, and the last one is Shiva. So let's start with the first tarot, Two of Cups. So, in context to your relationships, for those of you who are single, guys, your days alone are outnumbered. The card is a good sign and suggests if you are looking for love, soon you might end up meeting someone with whom you will share a strong connection. Well, there will be a mutual attraction between you two, and I feel this will be the person you have been waiting for. Yeah, congratulations, guys. I feel this person could be your soulmate. So, for some of you who are single, the card also indicates reconciliation. A past lover may show up at your doorstep, but it's up to you how you are going to take this situation further. Okay. Also, for those of you who are in a relationship, you may decide to take it to the next level. Well, there can be an engagement or even a marriage. Also, for married couples, the card suggests your bond will become more stronger this month, and you guys will relive your old days. And often, you may find yourself talking about how you first met, your first kiss, and things like that. So, as this card suggests partnership, for some of you, it can be that you and your partner may decide to get involved in a business together. Alright? Also, for those married couples who have had fights lately or were dealing with some issues, chances are this month you may forgive each other and decide to forget the past. So, all in all, from the relationship point of view, Two of Cups is a very great card to show up in a reading. So, the next tarot, King of Wands, regarding your career is also a good sign. So, for those of you who have been looking for a job, this card suggests you will soon get it. For those of you facing some kind of problem at your workplace, this King of Wands indicates that soon you might meet a person, preferably an elder male, uh, He will be willing to take you under his wings and mentor you further, teaching you strategies to face the upcoming challenges at your workplace. So, also for some of you, you may get promoted to a high position, and your colleagues might expect you to motivate them to become successful like you. So, also for those of you who were thinking of investing their money into something they believe, this King of Wands suggests you to go ahead. Also, those of you who want to start a business of their own, this month is the right time for you guys, and you should go ahead. Okay. So the next card, Nine of Pentacles, here with respect to your finances, suggests stability and material security. So for those of you who have made investments in something before, now might be the time to reap the rewards. Some of you may even purchase a property. Also, the card suggests for some of you, your owed money is coming back. So, all in all, this is the month for you guys to plan for big purchases and go for it, because any one of you who have been struggling with your finances lately, this month all is about to change. Your money issues will resolve, and that's really great. And I'm really happy for you guys. So, with this fixed moon card, it suggests you might be stuck in a situation lately, and you need to analyze how you can get yourself out of that situation. For some of you, this card may suggest that you need to stand firm in whatever decision you have taken regarding something important in your life. So, that's what the card says. Hold your vision. The next card, Dragon, represents courage and strength and suggests you are up for some kind of surprises that will lead to one of your most wonderful moments of life, guys. Talking about the surprises, maybe you are going to receive a proposal, or maybe you will get some kind of reward or recognition for your work. So sit tight and wait for that moment on any day this month. Okay. The next card, Authenticity, says trust that your real self, whom God created divinely perfect, has the strength and knowledge needed for this situation. This card is suggesting you to bring out your creativity, guys. Do things that ignites your passion. You don't need to make something to please everyone. Just do it for yourself and remind yourself of your talents and things you are passionate about. All right. The last card, Shiva, suggests you to work on yourself to bring out the inner you. You should try to move past your limitations, guys, and try to do things you ever thought of doing. Now is the right time. So, maybe it can be a simple painting that you wanted to create since ages. So, this month you can ultimately put your ideas to paper. Also, Shiva being Adi Yogi, that is the first yogi ever, the card suggests you to start practicing yoga if you haven't yet. As you all know, yoga brings the mind, body, and soul in harmony and enables you to do things that earlier you thought were difficult. So, you should think about practicing yoga. Okay. So that was your reading, guys. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel if this reading resonated with you. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon or you may miss any further notifications. Till then, take care. Bye.